Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything that I'm packing in my Disney Toddlers park bag. If you're stumbling on my video for the first time, my name is Lauren. I'm a full-time working mom that likes to save money because we love to travel to places like Disney. I share vlogs from all of our adventures along the way, and I would love it if you would go ahead and hit that bell so you could be notified anytime I have a new video. I have a trip coming up in the next couple of weeks and I'm going to be posting a lot of Disney content, so I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. And let's just jump right in. I'm using my Petunia pickle bottom diaper bag. I've actually never used this for Disney. This is going to be our first time. I ordered it maybe about a month ago. It's in this pop bell art print. So one great thing about this bag is that it's all insulated, so you could use it, to keep your toddler snacks in, to keep things cool. So the first thing I pack on the little side pockets here are antibacterial spray. You always need that whether you're on the airplane or in the parks. And then I'm going to try something a little bit different this time. This was recommended. This is the Honest Sprayable Diaper Rash Cream. So we usually use cream, Aquaphor actually, for my daughter. I'm gonna still bring the Aquaphor, but I'm gonna try this. It seems very convenient. You just spray the diaper cream instead of having to worry about a big mess. And I am a little nervous, which is why I'm still bringing the Aquaphor, because my daughter has very sensitive skin. But I thought I would give it a try since it is very convenient. So I just have like a little dangly thing here, so she could play with this. Then on the bottom, I think the bottom is really meant for, it unzips through here. I think it's really meant for, packing snacks or bottles. But what I'm using it for is this did not come with the bag. It comes separately from Petunia Pickle Bottom. But it's a packing cube and it comes in the chip print from Beauty and the Beast. And what I have in here is a hoodie and a pair of sweatpants for my daughter and just a change of clothes, just in case we have an accident or she gets something spilled on it, or whatever. There's a lot of great pockets here. You could probably put like another you could probably fit a bottle in here. Everything is, everything is really well insulated. Okay, the next thing is, of course, what's a diaper bag without diapers and wipes? So this is also from Petunia Pickle Bottom. It has a wristlet. I actually have this in my, for whatever reason, I have this in my purse and it's downstairs. But anyway, this does come with a wristlet, so it's very convenient. You could just throw it on your wrist and pack everything you need. Oh, another thing so the inside of this bag is all also lined with the same chip print. This does come with a changing pad in the same chip print, and it folds up, and I just stick it in the little side pocket on the inside here. The next thing I have are, I went and got these I don't remember if I got these at Target, Walmart, or the dollar store, but we have a bunch of glow bracelets for at night. These are kind of fun. So I'm going to just throw like a few of them in because the glow bracelets come with, this is I think eight is in this, and then this is just a light up one. So I'm going to pack a couple in the park bag for at night. And then the rest I'm going to keep in the luggage, and then I'll just refill daily. Just something fun for the kids, like when when it gets dark out. The next thing I have is my meal kit bag. So this is going to have, I have some activities for her. This I got at Target. I don't remember if it was like, yeah, it was $1. So it comes with crayons. I'm sure everyone's seen these. They come, you know, with different characters. There's stickers, little color book, and crayons. So just something additional, like either if we're at dinner or, you know, even waiting in line maybe for a ride. The next thing is this. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it down below in the comments. But this is placemats. They're disposable placemats, and they have, you can actually color on them. So of course we have like the whole gang. On the reverse side, there's adhesive strips that go all the way around, so they stick right to the table. Now I'm not going to use these at like every restaurant, especially if they have like a tablecloth already, but if it's just like a regular wooden table, or especially a lot of the quick service, I want to put this down. If your child's a thrower like mine, my daughter cannot keep plates down on the table. We have to hold it. So this is a great alternative until she could grow out of this phase. So I could just put like the food right on the placemat and then throw it away when we're finished. And also it helps to contain the mess a little bit, so the servers don't, you know, they're not left with a lot of mess. So I do try to pick up, like, you know, like the mess or whatever, and contain it to here. Then the next thing I have in my meal kit is, well, I also do have some disposable bibs. And then as well as, my mom actually made these for Lucia. Isn't this fun? Yeah, so they're personalized bibs. We have one for like, this one's for Animal Kingdom, and you know, we have a few of these. So I'm gonna keep the rest in that she made in my luggage, and then these will just be, you know, extra just in case, you know, she gets messy. The next thing I have in here are some Ziploc bags. I have a large one and a small one. You kind of just never know when you might need this. Either you have an accident. Also, like, if you go to some of the character dining, they do allow you to bring some food back with you. So that's actually a great tip. When we went to Topolino's on our last trip, we were left with so many, like, I don't know if they'll still provide this many. I think they have cut back a lot since our last trip, but we were left with like so many like muffins and danishes or whatever that they give you as that starter appetizer. So, all right, we have a little one that just woke up from her nap. She wanted to come and say hi. Say hi. This is Lucia or Lucia, whichever one we call her both. All right, should we show everyone what's in the rest of our bag here? Okay, so of course we have to make her look cool. We have some baby sunglasses. Uh-oh. All right, so we got some sunglasses because it's obviously really sunny at Disney. We have some Play-Doh. So, I don't know, she's still kind of like eating stuff, so we're gonna try it. I figured this could be great for like the plane, or like if we're waiting for our food at the restaurant, or just we're waiting maybe in line for a ride. The next thing is a snack bag. So I know these aren't like the most healthy. I did try to give her some fruit snacks the other day, and actually she's not a fan. So these are probably gonna come right out. I have some peanut butter crackers. You like peanut butter crackers, right? And then these, like, that's it. So, you know, I'll keep a bunch of snacks back at the hotel room and then just kind of fill these little bags. By the way, all these bags are a great deal on Amazon. I'll link them below. I think they were about $11 maybe, and they came in so many different sizes. They came in like large where you could actually probably put some clothes in there, and then then there's some tiny ones too. So then the next thing is I have a hairbrush for her. If she goes to the splash pad, we could kind of like freshen her up a little bit, and some little ponytails. So you could definitely see like the different sizes that they do come in. I just think it's really convenient, and they weren't that bad in price, honestly. I think they were like $10 or $11. Say hi. Can you say hi to everyone? Wave? No. Okay. the next thing are these wet ones. You could get these in the travel section at Walmart. I think it was like $1 or $2. These are antibacterial hand wipes, so they're great. I could wipe her hands down. I can wipe the table down, the tray table of the airplane. So I did get a bunch of these, so I'm gonna throw some in the, okay. We're having a meltdown here. So I'm gonna throw some of them in the luggage and then just keep one of these guys right in the diaper bag. Oh, she wants her tablet. Okay, just, you could cut. The next thing, which Disney does a pretty good job of, you know, emptying their garbage, but so this you know, you could attach it right to your diaper bag. Otherwise you could just throw it right in. The next thing is I have a first aid kit. I need to put band-aids in here, but there's some Neosporin, there's some, I actually have Lotrimin. She had a really bad diaper rash that was not going away last fall when we went, and the doctor recommended Lotrimin actually. So it did end up clearing up. And then I have some boogie wipes. So like I said, I do need to put some band-aids in here, but yeah, this is another thing in here. And I think the last thing in our park bag are these little snaps. We actually haven't even used these yet, but you know, like I mentioned before, my daughter's a thrower, so these are great, and they do sell them on Amazon. They snap, and you could attach them to their snack cup, their sippy cup, whatever, and then you could attach the other end to something like the high chair or their stroller, and that way they don't throw it, and you know, you don't lose things while you're going through the park. So the next thing in our diaper bag is I have a personalized blanket for Lucia. This was something I got in the hospital with her, and I just like it because it has her name on it. Let's see if I can hold it up. So I'm just gonna keep this blanket in my diaper bag, or maybe even throw it at the bottom of the stroller, just in case it gets a little cool at night, or if I just need a little bit of shade. And I think this is the last thing in my diaper bag, is a wet bag. So this says Little Mermaid print. This is from, I think from Bumpkins. I got this so long ago. I'm sure you could find it still on Amazon. If I can find it, I'll try to link it down below. The reason why I have a wet bag is because there are splash pads in Disney. So if she wants to like take a break, cool off, run around, I'm gonna put some swim diapers. So I have 2 in here that I'm gonna keep in the wet bag. And then she has this little sun hat. So I'm gonna put that on her. And always, just in general, always great to have a wet bag, just in case, you know, for like wet clothes, or if you have an accident throughout the day. I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. I really hope I didn't forget anything. My camera has quit on me a few times throughout the recording process. I think I got everything covered though. If you stuck around this long, I hope you liked the video. I hope you found these tips useful. I have a lot of content coming up from Disney. I have a lot of content coming up in the next few weeks. We're going to Disney, so if this sounds like something you might like, I would love it if you would stick around and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead also and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Every little like, comment, share, everything really helps to really support the channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!